Okay, so one of the Ninja Networkers, they sent in this great question today. So how can I effectively recruit using Facebook groups? Now these blog posts and these YouTube videos usually last just under 5 minutes each, so I'm not going to go into much detail on this one. I'm going to kind of give you an overview, all right? So first of all, if you want to build with recruiting, if you want to build using Facebook groups, you want to recruit new reps on Facebook groups, I'm going to cover not a customer group or a product group, I'm going to cover a way how you can go into groups and build relationships with people, because that's what it's all about, right? You've got to build trust. And when building on social media, you have to make trust the sale. You don't sell the products, you don't sell the business, you sell trust, because people have to trust you before they buy from you. And what you'll notice is when people do trust you, it doesn't matter what you've got for sale, they'll buy it. Right? They'll buy it. Now I learned a while ago that there's kind of like 5 types of people. And the percentages, the percentiles, and it's actually the percentage triangle, right? So the people triangle, you can call it. 3% of people will buy what you've got no matter what it is because they love you, right? 7% of people are interested in buying what you've got. They're interested. The third 30%, right, are people who might think about it. The fourth 30% are people who are like, they're probably not going to buy. And then the fifth, like 30%, the remaining 30% are never, ever, ever going to buy no matter what. That's the type of people. So we're looking to create trust with people we find on social media to find the 3, the 7, and the 30%. Right? So we've got 40% to play with. The other 60%, it's just no point wasting our time. So here we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on Facebook and you're going to search for different things you're passionate about. So I'm in skincare, so skincare groups. Well, I'm in network marketing groups. Because everyone's doing the same thing. If you go into the majority of network marketing groups, it's just, hey, looking for 3 motivated individuals this week, hashtag June boom. Right? It just doesn't work. Oh, my income opportunity is the best, everything else is rubbish. We pay 78 different times just doing the same activity, join here. I'm sick and tired of seeing posts like that because it doesn't work. Conversations come before commissions. Every single time. Conversations come before commissions. But too many people are out there trying to think that commissions come before conversations and they're messing it all up. It doesn't work that way. So you're going to find a group that you've got passion in. Maybe it's a football team, maybe it's a soccer team, maybe it's a, oh wow, it is a football team. Soccer is football. It's a football team, it's a basketball team, it's a baseball team, it's a fishing group, it's a surfing group, it's a business group, it's a travel group, it's an entrepreneurship group, it's a mum's group. Go in there. It has to be things you're passionate about so you can legitimately add value from a passion point of view. Now, don't go in there straight away and go, ha, all these people are into network marketing, add. I notice we're like-minded individuals because we are in the same group. Don't use the word like-minded individuals when talking to people cold or direct. It's the biggest giveaway now. So many people are doing that and then they follow it up with a pitch. So people are now, it's been going like that for the last six years, since about 2012, people have been doing that like a lot. So people now know, oh, you're one of those people. And chances are you get kicked out of the group. Now, if you're one of those who are going for no, if you don't mind rejection, then yeah, it's okay. But it's not very duplicatable. And that is, don't forget in network marketing, guys, it's not what you do, it's what you duplicate. So we find this group and it's a surfing group, let's just say. And it doesn't matter what the niche is, guys. There's a group for literally everything. A friend of mine, I helped him create this group. He had this idea and he created this group, and his passions are women and lamps. Yes, women and like literally like that lamp. Women and lamps. He created this group and in 10 months it grew to over 350,000 members. He's got influence over 1/3 people because it's all to do with women and lamps. It's crazy, but it works. So you're gonna go find a handful, I suggest 5 groups that things you're passionate about. Maybe it's, you've got 2 passions and you find 2 or 3 groups on each one. Then you're going to be a part of the group. So you're going to love posts, you're gonna comment on posts, you're gonna give your opinion, give some encouragement, give some value. you do that for a number of weeks, right? You do that for 3 or 4 weeks. So the admins of the group, the people in the group get to know you and like, yes, we've got another one. We've got another one of those people who are engaging in the post. They're growing the engagement of the group. They're sharing it with friends. Admins love that. As an admin myself of obviously the Ninja Networker paid group, we really appreciate it when we see new ninjas coming in and helping other ninjas out with their questions, giving extra value, giving encouragement, giving advice. And you know what's funny? If a new ninja comes in and starts giving value, we're very, very cautious of actually the value we approve. So people post into the group, we then have to look at the post to make sure it's valuable and okay. Then we might approve it. However, if we've got someone who's been a ninja for a month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, and so on, who's posted value, right? They've commented and stuff, they're part of the community, and then they post value, almost instantly we approve it because we know their intentions are right, they obey the rules, okay? So you're going to be a part of the community. Then you're going to make a post into the group with something of value. So if you're in a business-based group, get a book, get like The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy, hold it up to your face, take a selfie saying, oh, incredible book, right? So then you can type, this month's book, this month I read The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. If you haven't read it, I highly recommend it, but this is my #1 takeaway from the book. Do something every single day and eventually you will have a breakthrough. Whatever. Now the next thing you want to understand is that when you do that post, people are going to say, or you can even write, has anyone seen this? Then what's going to happen is people are going to start commenting, I've read this, I haven't read this, I've read this, I haven't read this, I've read this, I haven't read this. So now based on another video that I shared inside the blog and the YouTube channel, you can now go and reach out to those people, right? Real good. Hey Bob, thanks for liking my post. Hey Bob, thanks for commenting on my post. Hey Bob, thanks for sharing my post. How's things? They know who you are now. They've seen your face. They've seen the value you've given. But then next month, you do the same again. Next month, you do the same again. Next month, you do the same again. And you know what? All of a sudden, in those groups you're in, you've become that authority on what book are we going to read. And people will start messaging you saying, hey, I'm just about to order a few books on Amazon. What's your list of books you're going to be covering the next few weeks? You'd be surprised how many people love book club. Another idea is, let's say you're in a fishing group, a skiing group, a surfing group, a football group, whatever it might be. Go and post after you've been a member for a while. You can go and create an image on Canva or get one done on Fiverr or just post a selfie of yours saying, I've flipping loved this group, been a member for the last month and got so much value, tips and encouragement from others. I just want to say thank you. And yeah, it'd be great if you're allowed, check the rules. It'd be great to connect with some of you. Or you don't even have to say that. You just have to thank everyone because loads of people will love it because they'll agree with you. Yeah, I agree. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome. And then what you do is you connect with those people. So how to recruit no matter where on social media, whether it's in groups, in lives, in stories, in posts, whatever, it doesn't matter. It's all about creating that trust and rapport, right? Not spamming, right? Creating that trust and rapport, moving them into a natural conversation, and then the ones who you're having a natural conversation with, finding out if they're open to checking out what you've got. All right? Don't waste time falling into the friend zone. If you feel like you have to feel comfortable, then fair enough. But just understand the longer you take, the longer you will get results. The shorter you can get, and that's the skill in network marketing, guys, in social media. The skill is to create such good connection in a short space of time that you're able and comfortable enough to be able to ask them if they'd be open to checking out some more information. All right? And the best way of doing that is taking them from on the platform, the online platform, social media, onto a Zoom call, a Skype call, a video call, a telephone call, a coffee shop meeting, a meeting round at your house, a meeting round at their house, whatever it might be. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you like this sort of content, feel free to hit that subscribe button, like this video, give me a comment, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Feel free also to connect with me over on Instagram and Facebook. And in the meantime, go ahead and watch those 2 recommended videos I've got for you there, and see you soon.